how much I have made so far on UK TikTok account. Is it really worth it? Considering the fact that you need to have 10,000 followers and 100k views in the last 30 days for you to start earning on UK TikTok account. So I'm going to be sharing my honest review. I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'll be showing you how much I've made so far on UK TikTok account since I got monetized. Hi guys, my name is Modipe and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So on this channel, I talk about editing tips for beginner content creators and also TikTok monetization and how to make money online. So in this video, I am going to be telling you how much I've made so far using UK TikTok account. I think I got monetized Ju July last year, if I'm not wrong. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. I'll be showing you everything, and you will be the judge. You will determine whether it's worth it, if you should open that UK TikTok account or not. So I'm going to be opening my account right now, and I'll be doing the screen recording. So I'm using another phone to log in. Let me start the video recording. So before you open that UK TikTok account, just think about it very well. I think after this video, you'll be able to judge whether you should open a UK TikTok account or not. So let's start. So I am in my TikTok studio right now. I'm going to be clicking on Creator Rewards Program. That's where we are going to see the money I've made so far. So I realized that over the months, like since I got monetized, my earnings have reduced, and I'm going to tell you why. So we are here now. You can see 7 days, 30 days, all time. So we want to know how much I have made so far. So I'm going to click on this all time, and we are going to see it. So far I've made £1,530 on TikTok. So, and this is the number of views that I earned that money. So I'm going to click on this qualified views. Okay, so I'm going to click on that qualified views, and you can see down here the breakdown of the views. So all the videos I've made so far on this my account, I've had 61.3 million views, and from that 61.3 million views, I only had 13.3 million qualified views. Can you imagine that? And the ineligible views were 48 million. That was a lot. All the same, I still made that money. Now let me tell you why I said the reason why I feel my earnings dropped, because I've had like months where I made, see, I made £369 before in a month. I made £405 in a month before they now started reducing. So I realized that when I first got monetized, I didn't have as much followers that I have now, and a lot of US and UK people were following me and they were watching my videos. I was having that kind of audience, but now I have like a lot of followers from different countries, South Africa or some other African countries, that TikTok is not monetized there, and I think that is what affects my video. That's one of it. Another thing is, when I was growing this account, I used to post like 5 videos in a day, but now I only post one because I have so much on my plate right now. I have another account I'm building because it's Faceless account, right? I have another account, personal accounts that I show my face I'm trying to build, and also YouTube too. I post on YouTube too. So it's just a lot for me. I just like try to post once or twice on it now. So that's why I think my earnings also dropped. So if I'm posting a lot of videos, I think I should be earning more, even though I still have a lot of views that are not qualified. So you are going to be the judge of it, if it is worth it to open a UK TikTok account. I've said is that if you really want to make money on UK TikTok account, you need to do a faceless account. The previous video I posted, I talked extensively on how you can go about your faceless account. That is the best you can do if you want to earn on UK TikTok account. So let me just show you. Let me show you the real money. Can you see? That's how much I have made so far. You can see that I've made 1,530 pounds on TikTok. I'm going to calculate it in naira. I'll convert it in naira. I think it should be close to 3 million. Yes, I'm going to put it here. So you can see that you can make money on UK TikTok account. This can be your side hustle. Imagine making this money like up to like 500k in a month if you post very well and your videos do very well, like they are going viral. You make a lot of money on it. So I made a video already on how you can go about opening faceless accounts, how you can run a faceless account on TikTok. My previous video, I talked extensively on that. You might want to watch it. So I'm going to link it in this video. Please do where to watch it. I said everything you need to know about opening UK TikTok account and running a faceless account. And also, if you feel that you still want to know more, you want to see the practical aspect, I also mentioned it in that video. If you want to register for my course, I have like a full course on TikTok monetization, how to run a faceless account. You are going to be seeing everything, practical aspects. I have pre-recorded videos you are going to watch. And you also have access to me. I can put you through, like when you register for the course, you can message me anytime if you have any questions about faceless account. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe so that I can see more tips like this, editing tips and also monetization tips. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.